Oh, hello, I didn't see you there. Just give me 5 minutes, I'll be able to show you around the place. Meet me at the front door. Thanks for bearing with me. Come and take a look around this 3-bedroom end of terrace property, Minster, Ramsgate. So on the ground level on this property, you have a lovely cosy front room. But what really ticks the boxes for me is coming into this kitchen open plan dining area with so much space for the family, plus all of this space out here as well. Now, when you go up onto the first floor, you have 2 double bedrooms and a family bathroom with a very large shower in there, and then the loft extension for an extra bedroom, which is fantastic. Now at the back here, you have an amazing view, and I can just see it now. Barbecue weather, lots of people around in the garden, soaking up the sun. The village of Minster has plenty of local attractions, such as the Minster Abbey, a fantastic church, plus a selection of local amenities. 2 great schools in the village. Plus, if you're worried about travelling, we have local buses running straight into Ramsgate, and you're only 1 stop away from the high-speed train service to London. We also have a great range of restaurants, pubs and takeaway services in the village, plus a great little cafe offering the best coffee about. So now you can see what the beautiful village of Minster has to offer to you. There's only one thing left to do. Give me a call on 01843 265 100.